Greetings, all my wonderful students. I'm so happy that I get to talk to you again. I wish I was actually seeing you through this camera, but instead I have to bear with looking at my little dot on the computer that's glowing at me right now. Um, so I am actually going to be introducing you to what we're going to be talking about or learning about over the next couple weeks, and that is the rock cycle, and that's part of our Planet Earth unit in TCI. We're going to be learning about how rocks are formed, what they're made out of, what happens to them over the course of their, I guess, kind of like their rock lifetime, but they're not really alive. The time that they're in the shape that they start with on Earth, I guess. Maybe that's a good way of saying it. And what happens to them over time, and eventually how they are recycled. So, hopefully, you have looked at your Google Classroom. It seems like maybe some of you haven't, and hopefully, you do pretty quick here. I have my email address on Outlook posted on there. I'd prefer if you email me through Outlook. I look at that multiple times a day. Gmail, I will check once in a while, but probably not as often as Outlook. So you can reach me both ways, but the Outlook email is best. Please make sure you are keeping up with your work. At this point, it is not required. However, we are just right now waiting for the governor to decide and OSPI to decide how they're going to um, work grading and whatnot. So if you get way behind in the beginning here and the governor decides, or OSPI decides that you're going to be graded and you have to do all of this work and be graded in order to pass the sixth grade science, you'll have a lot of catching up to do, and it's really not that much. Three lessons a week. You guys can do it. You got this. So, please shoot me an email if you have any questions, and hopefully we'll be chatting again soon. Enjoy the rock cycle. Rocks are really awesome, and I think you'll have fun. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye bye.